I'm not really asking. We'll get away.
Hey guys. It's so awkward when I start the vlogs. Okay. We are on our way to a family. We're on our way to a family reunion in Monte Cristo, which is like a campground that
it's property that my great grandpa established when he came here from Greece, and in one section of the property that he owned, he created like a little homestead. They built a cabin, they built a little cabin, and then eventually like they built a campground that's just expanded as the family has gotten bigger. We've been here a lot. I vlogged here a lot, but I can't remember the last time we were here.
it was like a few years ago.
I think it was when Layla was a baby.
Yeah.
I can't remember.
This road's really bumpy though, so I'm like trying to hold the camera still.
Yeah, it is pretty bad.
There's like so many traditions up here too. Like there's like these little plants, and like you can pull the top of them off, and we all used to like drive around like four-wheelers and side-by-sides and just like throw them at each other, which is a really weird tradition. I feel like you say it out loud. We throw plants at each other.
That happen every year.
Yeah.
We used to, when the family was a little smaller, we would get like on trailers, and then they would pull us on the four-wheeler, and we would literally stop and have fights.
Yeah.
It was fun.
It really is fun.
So it's been a long time.
The drive up here is so pretty. Look how pretty the trees are. Like this road is a little bumpy.
What do you have? Serious? Did you win that? Yeah, where? Just in the dirt, in the sawdust? You did good. Go on potty. Oh, is it locked? Okay, go in there and go potty. Go Layla, go Layla. Are you gonna go on it? Please do.
That's so small for a beauty.
You got it? No, oh, nice. Good job. I have so many memories from this. This is what all the kids would pile on. This is like the popular, this is like a side-by-side when I was little. This is what we were doing. It was fun.
What?
Here she goes again.
Who did? Did buy for you guys?
Woo, nice. Nice job.
I'm going.
You can get on there?
Oh, that's fun.
Get on there. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Hop on there, I'll spin you. Ready? Ready? Here we go.
Super fast.
Super fast? Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you want to hop on, Bray? No fun. No, I know, that's the point. To make you super dizzy? Huh? Are you so brave? We'd lay on our bellies and drag our hands. Is that super fast or no? You're holding on? You asked for it. Is that super fast? No? What? Seems so super duper fast. Is that super fast now?
You're making me sick looking at you, Layla.
Look how fun! Bye! Have so much fun! See ya, there's Winston! I used to swing on this, but it was tire swings when I was little. Okay. Sure. wanted me to do that. I said, I'm too old. So this is where, obviously, where like we would always camp out. And then the big cabin is down here. It's where my grandparents would always stay. And this is a little cabin. It was always kind of up for grabs. Everything looked so much bigger when I was little. There were always bats in here. I slept in there a few times and there were always bats flying around, which is super scary. That's why I didn't do it very often. And then there were always bats flying around in like this section of the cabin, but not in this section of the cabin. There's a door right there and they would shut it. Grandpa Mark, Grandma Sammy. Hi.
Hi.
Hi guys.
Isn't it funny to think that I grew up on those swings?
I know, it's so
You,
crazy, yeah.
Now you're kids.
I know, it's wild. Were they here when Grandpa Sam was younger?
I'm not sure when they put them in.
Yeah.
I'll bet Danny could tell you.
Yeah.
They used to push us so high we would touch the branches on them.
Right, and in like a tire swing, so it's like,
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
it's up to you to
Hold
stay
on
in.
tight.
Yeah. There's no buckling.
There was no kiddie seat.
Yeah, right. Look, she's just so mad. She was swinging for seriously all day long. Hours and hours. That's all you had?
Yeah, maybe a little sick.
Grandpa Mark's heading out.
I am.
See if he can find any animals.
Yeah, I think there's some animals out there.
Good luck.
It'll be fun. It'll be fun.
My goodness. What? Serious?
I almost can't reach it.
She has a hugest smile on her face. Braylee, do you want to go run down the hill? I was just telling Braylee, see this merry-go-round? This was our side-by-side. This is what we did. And then like,
The big wheel down the
right, and like, it was so exciting over here. Come here, Braylee, let me show you. You did. That was brave that you did the big wheel. Right, over here, all of the kids would like pile up and we would run down this hill right here. I'm sure some of the kids still do, but this hill right here, we would just take off running as fast as we could. Yes, a lot of us ate dirt on the way down.
Wait, what's a big
That's what we do. It's like Layla's little Minnie Mouse bike, like with the wheel in the front.
Go down that?
Yeah, Grandma said she would ride her big wheel. We would ride our bikes when we got a little older.
I feel like it'd be
But-
fun to be in like a tire and like roll down it.
Oh yeah, that would be fun. I feel like that had to have happened at some point. There were also like so many more flowers everywhere, and the rule up here was from my great grandpa Nick that no one was allowed to pick the flowers, the wild flowers, so that they would just be everywhere. But it looks a little different, of course. It happens. We had so much fun at the family reunion. It was so good to just be up there again, up on my family's land, and just to see everything, and then just seeing everyone and visiting and catching up and seeing their kids. Some I didn't even recognize because it's been so long since I've seen everyone. But we drove home last night because Casey was gone all week last week and he got home yesterday, so we were missing him and he was missing us, and so we drove home late last night. I think we got home at like 12:30, and now we're home. Now we're gonna make salsa. Casey's in cooking and I'm out here. Casey planted some tomatoes and they're all looking nice, and I'm gonna pick some and make some salsa. See, I just want to make sure to pick the right ones. And then also over here, yeah, some other vegetables and onions down at the end. So he's gonna grab an onion. But we're gonna pick some vegetables. Hi, Rose. Hi, sweetest. You helping? Getting an onion. I just didn't want to pick the wrong one. Oh my, are these red? Did you do red and yellow? Do you want to give them more time? I do have a red onion. That's so cool. Oh, those are tiny.
I looked at this one. This one's
Oh, that looks good.
yeah. They need more time.
Nice. What are these?
Peppers are supposed to be. They don't look like they're gonna
Darn.
produce. Garden kind of sucks this year.
Maybe it will just be late.
I picked a tomato or a cucumber yesterday. Look at squash. squash.
Nice. And there was a cucumber big enough?
Yeah, there's a good.
Oh, this is squash? Oh my gosh. Cool. Look at that. Did you do lemon cucumbers?
No. Like, look at this cucumber. Like, I have like a mutant garden.
Was it good? Did it taste good?
Yeah.
Look at the cucumber, Layla, over there. Layla's favorite things are cucumbers, huh? Your favorite. Mhm. Your super favorite? Serious? I don't think so, but that's great. And you liked it? We need to finish our frames and get the pictures. I got some pictures printed off. Yum. There it is, all done. I just added peppers, onions, cilantro, a little bit of vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, salt, and garlic.